I request Arvind sir to come forward to felicitate Mr. Siddharth Bhai.
Hello. It's a switch over to chamfer to fillet.
Okay.
Very
First one.
quickly.
Okay. Anything else?
Variable. It's
Okay.
a switch over from fillet to chamfer or chamfer to fillet very easily, quickly.
Okay. Your answer was what? Okay. I mean,
Yeah, Akhil, I think
I-
fillet to champer is
I was
the
expecting
most.
two answers,
Yeah.
but I think you can come forward.
Yeah, please come. Can we have a big round of applause for him?
Highlight 3 new enhancement in 2017 SolidWorks for assembly. Okay, I want 3.
Minimum 3, maximum as you can. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, it's about section view. We have
First-
transparent assembly which we can visualize. Second one is that magnetic mates,
Great.
and third one is about yes.
We want 3, apart from these 2. Yes, anybody challenge? Anybody want to challenge him?
There is a guy.
Yeah, apart from these 2. If you highlight 3, we'll have a very good gift for you.
You can tell.
Yeah, please go ahead.
We can get directly conical mate from
Good.
Correct. It's an assembly announcement. 1. Out. Anybody wants to try? Yes. Apart from these 3. Yeah, he has a long notes for
feature
it.
tree. Feature tree is enhanced.
Okay.
Second is a display state. Third one is some instances in the line we can group it. That is I think that is a good enhancement. Third is fourth is a asset publisher, which
Yes,
is
sir,
very
I think
good.
you have a long list. Okay, go
Yes,
ahead.
yes. Fifth is a speed pack in the, we can achieve speed pack in the magnetic mates also. I think that is a good enhancement.
Can we have a big round of applause?
Thanks a lot. Thanks.
Yeah, please come forward. May I know your good name, please?
Sandeep Badguzar.
Yeah, please come
from
forward.
Airsoft.
Yeah, can we have a big round of applause? Thanks, sir, thanks. You have any question, Akhil?
Yes, I have one more question. I want someone to highlight the enhancement in mate controller.
Please. Rohit?
So it can directly point out to the where there is a conflict in the mate. When you are analyzing the mates, there it can directly point out the where exactly there is a conflict during mating the components.
No, that was not the answer. Creating a configuration. That was the
Yeah,
exact
great,
answer.
great,
You
great.
can come forward.
Rohit, can you please hand over the gift to him? Thanks, we are ready for award functions. Yeah, Akhil, could you please come forward?
Yes.
Can we have a big round of applause? I think that 2 rows had written a very nice notes. Yeah, great. Yeah. Can you please switch to this? We are ready for awards. Before that, there is a small work for all of you. Can you please, we have a 2 minutes for feedback form. We'll fill the feedback form and we have a rewards and conclusion session. It's only required, we require 5 to 10 minutes. Please take a 2 minutes to fill the feedback form. We also have exciting prizes for those who have participated in Model Mania plus lucky draw. We'll check who will be the lucky person. We'll pick the cheat and we'll check it. Yeah. Okay. Let's move forward for reward session. We have a Model Mania 2017 as a contest. Okay. 24 participants for a day. And we did this in 4 batches, morning batch and afternoon batch. And first, can we have a big round of applause for all those who have participated in this? It's a very simple model, looks simple, but have it's very little bit complications. We also highlighted the answer for those. This is the batch 1 and 2 as a model, which is a morning batch. We also have a second batch so that no one can copy the things. So this is the model for second batch, and the answer is also highlighted. Now, I would like to highlight the winners.
Okay, but before that, let's see, what was the modeling strategy so that everyone will come to know how it should have been made in order to become a winner. The models was from there. Okay, this model was given in the first phase. You can see how many features has been used. In 3 features, and later on we used 3 fillets. And by this way, you can complete this model in a very less time. So let's see who is the second runner-up. Okay, this is Suraj from Scradder Duncan. Can we have Suraj? I request Atmin sir to come forward.
We have a first runner-up, Mr. Uday Jevane. He's here. Yeah, please come forward. He's from Sulzer India Private Limited. Please come. I also request Manda sir to please come forward and to felicitate him. Yeah, please come. Can we have a big round of applause for him? I request Manda sir to be present on a stage. Okay, first winner. It's Kalpesh Navle. Yeah, please come forward. He has taken 13 minutes and answer accuracy is 99.5. I request Amol sir to please come forward and felicitate him. Sir, please be on the stage. We request both of you to be. We have a next as a lucky winner. We have a lucky winner, and person must be here. Yeah, Amol sir, can you?
So the moment he has told that I have to pick it up means it is not fixed. So fortunately, if my team member name comes up, don't worry about it. Okay, shall I?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
It is none other than Vipul Kadam. You can have a look. I did. I think luck favors the brave. It's like this, So sometimes it is like Murphy's law. You don't want something to happen and it happens. It's like that.
Just a second.
You can verify this, zoom on this side. Otherwise, I can pick up any cheat and call any name which I want.
Thank you. Now we have a conclusion session. First of all, I would like to thank you all for your patience and you spend an entire day here. I also like to thank for our event partners SolidWorks, HP, Intel, I also like to thank for all the participants in Community Pavilion, which CAD/CAM Guru, Mactol Solutions, Sigma Nest, Sigmund Works, Kirti Infocom, Protosys. I also like to thank the customers who have given their case studies and the product images. And finally, I would also like to thanks to my entire team. They have many sleepless nights from last few days. So without the trust what you have shown on the entire Martin, it won't be happen. So thank you all. And finally, we conclude the today's session. Thank you all. Please submit your feedback form and takeaways from us. Thank you.